तो कल हमने ये चैप्टर 2 किया था इसका। काफ़ी इंटरेस्टिंग है।
बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग है।
और ये 5 टाइप्स ऑफ वेल्थ के बारे में बताता है। तो आज हमारे यहाँ से शुरू करना है हमें। द सीजन्स ऑफ योर लाइफ। तो कर सकते हैं शुरू। यू वुड लाइक टू रीड?
मैं पढ़ूँ? इट्स ओके।
यस।
यस। जस्ट अ सेकंड, एक ब्लूटूथ कनेक्ट कर लूँ। नहीं हो रहा है, ठीक है। द सीजन्स ऑफ योर लाइफ। The seasons of your life. As you start to walk on the way appears. The 5 types of wealth is designed to help you thrive within and across the seasons of life. But thriving does not mean you have to achieve some utopian state of bliss and perfect balance. Thriving is about information and action, understanding the role of each type of wealth, considering the levels to affect it, and acting on an appropriate levers in line with the long term values and goals. Thriving is not a state, it's a continuous journey. Your life does not follow a single steady straight line through time. It ebbs and flows and has natural seasons, each characterized by different wants, needs, priorities, and challenges. Each season must be embraced for the good and bad. When we embrace the current season with all its imperfections and opportunities, and when we think of balance on multi season time horizons, we find a way to thrive. I read this again. When we embrace the current season with all its imperfection and opportunities, and when we think of a balance of multi season time horizons, we find a way to thrive. The ideal approach for the foundation building season of your 20s may not be well suited to the compounding season in your 30s, the family season in your 40s, the purpose finding seasons of your 50s, or the retiree seasons of the 60s and beyond. Similarly, the ideal approach for your later seasons may not work for your earlier ones. There is no predetermined guide for this journey. Everyone, everyone's season is are unique. Everyone's definition of balance is unique. There is no fixed timelines on which you change, fail, learn, grow, and adapt. There is no requirements. There is no right or wrong. You may have a season of professional growth, a season of divorce, a season of readjustment after a family tragedy, a season of inner health, or a season of a new love. These 5 types of wealth will orient you within and across each and every season through life's great heights and its most challenging lows, a durable idea that provides value on the micro zoomed in level of the present season's battle, as well as on the macro zoomed level of the multi-season war. When you experience pain, a rock bottom moment, a tragedy and end, a tragedy and end, there is a light that shines through from the darkness. The light is the blinding insight, the aha moment of clarity that comes through when you see the other side. It's the light I saw when my old friend told me I would see my parents only 15 more times before they died. It's the light an old man sees when he regrets never pursuing his passion in life. It's the light parents see when their kid no longer wants to get tucked into the bed. It's the light a dying woman sees as she realizes her kids are the only people who remember the late nights she put in the office. It's the light you hope you never see. the light you eventually will see, the light you need to see. You know the lights exist. You even know what it looks like. You hear the stories, nod at the takeaways. Go on the living the extra same way. Go on the living the exact same way. But to ignore the light is to live in the dark. You need to act on the light, embrace what it can bring to your life. That is what the 5 types of wealth is all about. A new way to measure your life. Because when you measure the right thing, you take the right actions and create the best outcomes. The journey is just getting started. Allow the light from the other side to shine on your path. Now, start walking.
वंडरफुल। तो अभी चैप्टर 3 हमारा शुरू होगा, एंड विच इज आई थिंक द मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट चैप्टर ऑफ दिस बुक फ्रॉम टेकिंग एक्शन पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू।